driving this car a little bit now, and the oil cooler makes such a big difference. It almost makes too big of a difference, or too good of a difference, because I struggle on getting the oil temperature up at temp. Like in the city it's no problem, but out on the motorway it's around 70 to 75 degrees almost right away. It's really making a difference, so I hope it's gonna be perfect for the first track day that we're going to in just a couple of weeks. Today I'm gonna go to the workshop and they are gonna fix the pad wear sensor that they broke last time they serviced the car. I put on the Falcon tires and they are a bit too soft on the walls, I think, because the car feels a bit more boaty now when I'm coming up to speed compared with the Cup 2s or the PS4s. I'm going to do a wheel alignment and corner weight the car, so that might do some difference too also. So this is just a spontaneous trip that I'm doing. Just go out and test the car with the oil cooler and stress the car a little bit and see how it behaves. So enjoy, guys. So now it works. So now I'm going to stress the car a little bit. You guys can see the oil temperature does not even raise above 70 now when I only have been cruising. It will raise a little bit, but not much, maybe to 95 or 100 degrees or something. So calling, it was my boss. It was not my dad that pays everything for me, it was my boss. He asked me if I could work overtime this weekend. So actually enjoying this car a lot. It feels really nice. Showing a little bit of respect here. I'll be back when I get through this small town. It's a fun road, it's just way too bumpy.